Do you want to invest in gold but without the hassle of physical storage? Then meet Goldbees ETF, a simple, secure, and cost-effective way to add timeless value of gold to your investment portfolio. The Nippon India ETF Goldbees or the Goldbees allows you to invest in gold in digital form. Each unit represents approximately 0.01 gram of physical gold. No lockers, no making charges, just pure exposure to the gold in the market, but electronically. Goldbees is a passively managed ETF that tracks domestic price of gold. This means that your investments moves in sync with the price of gold in the actual market. It's ideal for both new and seasoned investors seeking for long-term stability and a hedge against inflation. Now let's look at the returns of Goldbees. Goldbees has delivered strong returns. First year, 15.30%. 3-year annual return is 11.56%. Since inception, 11.02% annually. A 10,000 investment at inception would now be worth of 61,750 rupees. Now let's look at some of the reasons why investors really love the Goldbees. Direct exposure to the domestic price, low cost, no making charges or insurance. The most safe and secure investment because you keep it electronically. There is no risk of theft. Now let's look at how to invest in it. Investing in Goldbees is very simple. You buy a Goldbees stock from your stockbroker just like any other stock. Let's say you want to set up your investment plan gradually. Then what do you have to do? Set up a systematic investment plan or the SIP. You can also do this process with the Navya app. Now let's look at how you can set up a SIP for Goldbees in our Navya app. Create a basket and choose weekly or monthly SIP. Add Goldbees at market price. Confirm and activate your SIP. You can pause or edit your SIP anytime. Now let's see why should you choose Navya. Zero brokerage on stock investment. User-friendly app interface. It has free ETF baskets and 24/7 accessibility to track and manage your portfolio. The Goldbees ETF is the shining opportunity to diversify your portfolio with the safety and the growth potential of the gold. It is secure, affordable, and simple to invest in. Investments in securities markets are subject to market risk. Read all related documents carefully before investing.